in style, let's dance for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not? Let us die young or let us live forever. We don't have the power, but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit, life is a short trip. The music's for the sad man. Can you imagine when this race is won? Turn our golden faces into the sun. Praising our leaders, we're getting in tune. The music's played by the madman. Forever young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever, forever, forever young. I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever young. Some are like water, some are like the heat. Some are a melody and some are the beat. Sooner or later they all will be gone. Why don't they stay young? It's so hard to get old without a cause. I don't want to perish like a fleeing horse. Youth like diamonds in the sun, and diamonds are for
Kumusta kayo Ken? And happy birthday, kareng celebrants.
Happy birthday, Rhea, Tess, Tinang Dudes, Leng, and Dudong. Happy birthday. Wish you better health, enormous wealth and success, vast of joy, happiness, and love. On a personal level, king kaya katamong 49er, Rhea, sana datang panahon, pumapag-ibig naman nga balitan ko kaya ko, kang kaya katamong supervisor, Tess, spread your wings mo, balo ko agyo mo yan, and then, kang kaya katamong ninang dudes, mas kino ka rin ka mamipunto, whether King Arayat or King Bacolod, sana maging successful pa nung nanong paing iluban nyo, whether business yaman yan or kariryang pasibayo, success mo ing wish ko kaya ka. And kang Leng at Dudong, wish ko more travel kaya kayong adwa para naman experience nyo rin itang experience na rin aliwang mag-travel, balo ko itang buri mo Leng, and more success nung kaya kayong career, kan Dudong ang po kaya ka, professional wise, sana maging successful ko pa. Once again, happy birthday kaya kongan, and enjoy the night. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!